was large and moved with grace, had a black head covered in a furry mane, a witch's neck, and a red body. When the king drew his bow and arrow, the beast started back at him with golden eye and let out defining or before leaping into the jungle. What sort of animal was that king? The king asked. A wife. His old man stepped forward. I have seen animals in portraits from the far west. Perhaps is the singer, but I want how it come to be here. This must be a great place. It breeds such a beautiful animal. The king said, Let us live here on the island of Singapore. The king said, footnote, the word Singa is actually the Indonesia and Malaysia word for leon. Therefore, Singapore is sometimes referred to as the Leon City.